Karen Reid breaks silence after not guilty verdict. Karen Reid shared her thoughts on her not guilty verdict after she was acquitted on murder charges in connection to the 2022 death of her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe. Karen Reid's legal ordeal has come to an end. After the 45-year-old was found not guilty of second-degree murder in connection to the 2022 death of her boyfriend John O'Keefe, she spoke out to thank those who supported her through the years. "I just want to say two things," she told the crowd gathered outside of a Massachusetts courthouse June 18. "I could not be standing here without these amazing supporters who have supported me and my team." Reid continued, "The second thing I want to say is that no one has fought harder for justice of John O'Keefe than I have." Reid was accused of drunkenly hitting O'Keefe, a 46-year-old Boston police officer, with her car on January 29, 2022, before leaving him to die outside of a house party in blizzard conditions. While she was also found not guilty of motor vehicle manslaughter while driving under the influence and leaving the scene of a collision during the June 18 verdict. She was convicted of the lesser charge of operating a motor vehicle under the influence, to which she was sentenced to 1-year probation. Reid was first tried for O'Keefe's murder in 2024, but the proceedings ended with a hung jury after 25 hours of deliberation. Her second trial began in April, during which Reid's legal team alleged that she was being framed to cover up for a fight that took place inside the home of Brian Albert, a prominent law enforcement officer and colleague of O'Keefe's, before he was allegedly dragged out into the lawn. "There was no collision," defense attorney Alan Jackson repeated 3 times in his closing argument June 13, per NBC Boston. Noting that the case's lead investigator Michael Proctor never went into the house upon arriving on the scene. Their investigation was flawed from the start because their investigator was corrupted from the start. He added of the prosecution, "They cannot prove a collision. John O'Keefe was not hit by a car."